In this video, we will see how to post a job on Upwork. Let's get started. Here is my Upwork client profile. If you don't have one, go to the Upwork website and sign up as a client. Let's post a job on Upwork. On the right side, you can see a Post a Job icon. From here you can start your job post. Click on the Post a Job icon. In Job Post, choose what would you like to do. Short-term or part-time work, or choose longer-term work. I will go with the first option and click on Continue. Write a strong title for your job post here. You can choose a job category in the suggestion or see all related categories from here. Click on Next Skills. Here, choose the main skills that are required for your work. You can see popular skills in suggestions and add according to your job requirements. Click on the next scope. Now, choose the estimated scope of your work. If work is longer term, choose large, otherwise, you can go with medium or small. I will go with medium. Select an option that how will your work take time. I will go with 3 to 6 months. Now choose the experience level that you need for the job. I will go with an expert. Here, select an option to define whether the job is full-time or not. Click on the next budget. Here, choose your budget. I will go with the hourly rate. You can choose an hourly rate or overall project budget. Enter starting price and end. Move on next to the description. Here describe what you need for the job. You can read Upwork's suggestions here. Talent are looking for clear expectations about your task or deliverables. The skills required for your work. Good communication. Details about how you or your team like to work. Enter your description here. You could attach the file to see the example, but the file size should be 100 MB only. Click on the Review Job Post. In the final step, review the job post completely. You can add screening questions to talent, for example, describe your recent experience with similar projects. In Advanced Preferences, you can choose English Understanding or Conversation Level, or go with another language, hire date. Number of professionals needed, time requirement for the project, and job success score to apply. Talent type, location, and the amount already earned. In Job Post Preferences, select How can see the job. You can boost your job visibility with a feature option with some discount. Once you are all done, click on Post this job. Congratulations! Your job post is now live. You can see an invitation to the suggested talent. This is how you can post a job on Upwork. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.